Okay, put B in. What does B say?
B.
Very good. Okay, now find C. What's C say?
D.
You need to learn how to say K. Put it right here. What color is it? Huh?
Green.
It's not green, it's red. That's green.
Red.
Okay, find D.
Blue.
That's blue, yeah. Find D.
D.
That's right. What's D say? D says,
D.
that's right. Find E.
E.
Okay, let's not do Q yet. Oh, okay, fine. What's Q say?
B.
Q says. Q says. What's Q say? You forgot? Qu.
B.
Qu. You can't do that sound, can you? Okay, where's E?
E.
Very good. What's E say?
E.
Good. You gotta do the bumpy side up. They fit better that way. Okay. Good job.